Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to request Google Drive access. So doing this is pretty easy. So whenever you are trying to access any of the Google Drive file and you can't access it, that means the owner has restricted the access, and in order to access that file we need to request the owner to accept us. And to do that we have three options here. You can request the access as a viewer, commenter or editor. So let's say I want to view the file only. Then for that I need to select the viewer option. Then you can type in any of the message you want to send the request so that the owner can view and accept your request. So I'm just gonna leave this message as it is. Then select the request access option. After that the request will be sent and owner will receive an email on his account, and once he accepts your request then you will be able to easily access the file using the same link. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.